Well, that windstorm was quite something last night, wasn't it? It tore apart the canopy, giving shade to the dogs here in the dog run. Guess that means a trip to Home Depot's in order. Well, Kiku, if you're going with me, you gotta get dressed. Well, that's better. All right, let's go. Okay, Kiku, load up. Good girl, Kiku. Thank you for helping me at Home Depot to pick out the right size canopy. Good job. You can get undressed now. Okay, there you go. Yep, we'll have to put this together here in just a little while. Well, here we go. The first step is to get the old canopy out of the way. It's going to be a pain trying to get it out of there, but maybe we can use some YouTube magic. And there we go. We got it out where we can take it down now. So next step will be to dismantle this thing and then put together the other new canopy. That went up pretty quick. Now we just have to get it over the kennel. Let's try some of that YouTube magic again. Well, there it is, in place. I really like that YouTube magic. Move things around instantaneously. Need to remember to use that more often. Well, the new canopy's in place. All I need to do is put some stakes in the ground to hold it in place so the wind doesn't blow it away, and we're all good to go. Thanks for joining us today.